What do you think about when you hear the word chemistry? Wait a minute, I mean the branch of science. Maybe you think of chemistry as a lot of explosions, or the periodic table, or maybe you think of it as a huge headache. Chemistry is the study of matter, which is mostly everything around us, and the changes that matter undergoes. It involves everything from baking cookies to making fireworks and even to making makeup. Chemistry is all around us and is central to our lives. A basic understanding of chemistry is also central to all of the other branches of science. Obtaining that basic understanding of chemistry is where I come in. In my course, you'll get a personalized class that includes weekly online lectures, lecture notes, assignments, online quizzes, and additional online tools to help you apply what you learn. Parents, you'll also get the confidence of a quality science education at an affordable price. Register now at chemlife.teachable.com.